Hi, I'm Brian Slobodo, President and Chief Operating Officer of New Ways Incorporated. I'm here to help you get to know Maximol Solutions a little better. Maximol is New Way's top-selling product worldwide with more than 25 million bottles sold. There's a compelling reason for its tremendous sales. In Maximol, you get one of the world's most unique and powerful trace mineral formulas. It delivers top-notch nutritional support to your body, helping it function at its healthiest. You know, I have an extensive background in every aspect of the process it takes to get a product from the lab to you. I've worked as a manufacturing systems engineer, earned an MBA from MIT, published articles on operations management and strategy, and most recently, I was the Vice President of the Global Supply Chain for Johnson & Johnson, one of America's top 100 corporations. I mention all of this only to let you know that I know what it takes to make a product and do it right. And I can tell you that when it comes to Maximol Solutions, we do it right. Like many, you may have wondered, what exactly goes into creating the bottle of Maximol that I get from New Ways? And how does New Ways ensure the quality of Maximol when they produce millions of bottles every year? Today, we'll take a few minutes to answer those questions, because in every way, Maximol Solutions is one of the world's most amazing products. In fact, we have maintained the same powerful formula for the past several years, only enhancing the quality and integrity of the production process that we use, thanks to the facility at Aseptic Solutions. That alone has enhanced the color, flavor, efficacy, and quality of each bottle of Maximol. From the Power Pack formula to the raw materials, to the numerous quality checks, to the industry's most technologically advanced and rigorous production process, Maximol undergoes a journey nearly unrivaled in its attention to detail and quality assurance. Don't take my word for it though. Let's hear from some others who can tell you more about why Maximol is better than ever.
Hi, I'm Dr. Garrett Trumbull, Director of Research and Development for Nutritional Products here at New Ways. I'm here to tell you about the unparalleled nutritional profile of Maximol Solutions. Minerals are inorganic substances that are necessary for human nutrition. Without them, the body cannot function at an optimum level. Unfortunately, today's aggressive farming methods often deplete the soil of minerals and other nutrients. As a result, the food we eat today often isn't as nourishing as the food our grandparents ate when they were younger. In addition, many people today eat too many processed foods and not enough mineral-rich fruits and vegetables. Maximol Solution provides an advanced mineral formula with 37 trace minerals and organic fulvates that help the body assimilate minerals. In addition, Maximol provides standardized essential minerals such as calcium and magnesium. All these nutrients are provided in an ionic liquid solution to promote optimal passage into the body's cells. Maximol's mineral complex is extracted directly from deposits surrounding Utah's Great Salt Lake near the site of prehistoric Lake Bonneville. These deposits were formed thousands of years ago when the land was fertile and trace minerals were plentiful. Maximol contains a nourishing combination of fruit and vegetable juices and a high ORAC fruit blend. Because of this natural fruit content, it is possible to see slight color and content variations in bottles of Maximol. As with all fruit-based beverages, it depends on how you store it and how long you store it. When we started bottling Maximol at our new Aseptic Solutions plant, we introduced a new processing system to enhance Maximol's flavor. People sometimes wonder if companies ever water down products to save money. But I can assure you that New Ways has never done that and never will do that. Any changes we make to the Maximol formula are to improve and maintain quality, not cut costs. Because of government regulations in various countries, our Maximol formula does vary somewhat among different nations, including US and Japan. As a nutritional biochemist, what impresses me about Maximol is how many unique ingredients it contains. It's amazing to have a product that provides this much nutritional complexity in one bottle. And we're proud that we have enhanced the processes and safety that go into Maximol.
My name is Eddie Mendeville, and I'm the Vice President of Quality at New Ways. We're absolutely committed to making sure that each individual bottle meets our highest quality standards. And nowhere is New Ways' commitment to quality more evident than with our top-selling product, Maximol Solutions. The Maximol quality process starts with procuring only the highest quality raw materials. Our scientists actively seek the very best ingredients, and we apply rigorous standards to qualify our suppliers who must meet good manufacturing practice requirements. When raw materials arrive at our manufacturing facility, we put them through intensive testing to make sure they meet all our standards. Let me tell you about the state-of-the-art testing lab, which is one of the industry's most advanced. This lab is staffed with 20 full-time specialists, including microbiologists, PhD chemists, and several qualified analysts. And New Ways has invested in some very impressive testing instrumentation technology, including inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry and high-pressure liquid chromatography. We use these highly sensitive tools to make sure each bottle of Maximol contains all the right vitamins and minerals. For each batch of Maximol, as many as 100 man-hours go into inspecting and testing the raw materials, blends, and finished goods. For raw materials alone, it takes 5 to 7 days to make sure they meet our high quality standards for Maximol. We perform 8 microbiological tests and 30 analytical tests for minerals and fat and water-soluble vitamins to guarantee Maximol's quality and viability. We perform organoleptic testing to ensure consistency of appearance, taste, odor, and other sensory characteristics. We also perform in-house stability tests to ensure accurate shelf life expiration dating. Now, Maximol is a top secret formula, and not just anybody can make changes to it. A tenacious application for continuous improvement has led to changes and improvements to the production process and the strategic raw material sourcing to ensure the quality of our finished products. From formula to raw material to production to you, we make sure that every bottle is the safest and the highest quality product every time.
I'm James Wagstaff, the engineering manager for New Ways. I've been developing and manufacturing nutritional supplement products for 20 years. We bottle Maximol solutions here at Aseptic Solutions facility in Corona, California. We produce 150 to 200 bottles per minute. At every stage, before, during, and after bottling, we have systems in place for checking every batch of Maximol. I'd like to give you a brief overview of the process. After Eddie Mendeville's group qualifies the raw ingredients for Maximol, they arrive here at Aseptic Solutions. They are precisely blended and processed using UHT, an ultra-high temperature sterilization. This direct steam injection makes sure you get the cleanest, safest, most consistent product possible. We employ sterile, full barrier technology, no-touch filling systems, multiple check systems, and multiple levels of inspection, verification, and testing. All this is to make sure that each bottle of Maximol is the highest quality. The process ensures consistency, uniformity, and safety. You get the same product every time, a synthesis of ingredients blended to the tightest specifications mandated by the formula. Aseptic Solutions has the best production technology that exists for liquid nutritionals. That's why New Ways purchased a significant stake in the company. And that's why we invested over $2 million recently to install a new filler that allows for greater flexibility in bringing you Maximol. In fact, we'll be using that filler to produce the new mini bottle of Maximol that will be released soon in Japan. Finally, I want you to know that I am here at the Aseptic Solutions facility to oversee every product launch. I help ensure that the batching, processing, and filling systems are all set up and ready to go. So when you take Maximol, you can be sure you're getting a high quality product.
Hello, my name is Scott Murrah. I'm the Vice President of Quality and Research and Development here at Aseptic Solutions. In fact, I'm one of the founding fathers of Aseptic Solutions, and I helped design the layout of the plant and implement and test the equipment. I've been in quality assurance for 23 years, including 4 years at New Ways, working with their quality assurance group. Because of that, I have a unique understanding of the high quality that New Ways demands, and I make sure that we meet that standard when it comes to Maximol solutions and every other New Ways products that we run here. Our blending system is fully automated so that every batch of Maximol is blended to the exact formula each and every time. Our aseptic process is designed to deliver high levels of ingredient synthesis and commercially sterile product. Let's contrast our process with the usual hot fill process used by other liquid bottlers. Let's say brand X has a mineral formula that they want to bottle. They will heat their product to approximately 190 degrees Fahrenheit and hold it for 60 seconds at that heat. Then they will cool the product, bringing it down to around 100 degrees Fahrenheit, at which point it is boxed, packaged, and shipped. The packaging, as you can imagine, can act as an insulator, keeping the product at 100 degrees for up to 24 hours. and that changes the composition of the ingredients. It's not good for the color, the flavor, or the formula. Imagine taking an apple full of nutrients and putting it through a similar process, baking it for 60 seconds at 190 degrees Fahrenheit, then holding it at 100 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 hours. It would change the composition of the apple. Our process at Aseptic is unique and different. We utilize UHT, or ultra high temperature sterilization, or otherwise known as max flash technology. We do a blast of high heat for a short amount of time and achieve high levels of purity and cleanliness for your product. The equipment to do this runs in the neighborhood of about $40 million. There aren't very many facilities in the world who can do this, and most that do exist exclusively run product for that company that owns them. For New Ways to make Maximol this way is unique in the industry, and it makes Maximol stand apart as a high-quality nutritional product.
Maximol Solutions is better than ever. I know because I use it myself. Since joining New Ways, I've made Maximol part of my daily routine as I train for marathons. I'm a believer in Maximol, and I feel that anyone who tries it will become a believer too. So when you order your next bottle, you can do it with the trust that you've always had in New Ways and our mission to help you live a healthier life.